I love pizza so much. I'm always looking for ways to improve the pizzas I make at work and at home. I'm always thinking about it. That's why it drives me nuts when these people give uh uh when they give everything like a number rating, like a 6.4 or a 5.6. It just drives me crazy. I don't agree with any of it. It's a cheap gimmick, and there's a lot of people out there that enjoy it, and I'm okay with that. All I want is for people to enjoy pizza. I don't care what kind of pizza you're enjoying. It could be a thin crust pizza. It could be a deep dish pizza. It could be a Chicago style. It could be New York. I don't care. As long as you enjoy pizza, that makes me happy. I don't care. It just drives me crazy when people give it a number rating, because how can you give one pizza an 8.5 and then the next day give another one an 8.6 when one's a Chicago style, one's a New York style, and one's a thin crust, and one's a pizza slice from Chuck E. Cheese, and one's a pizza slice from, it doesn't compare. All I want is for people to enjoy pizza, and that's why I love it so much. All I do is think about pizza 24 hours a day. Like right here, I'm just trying to make a new style of dough right here, a dough that's like half Napolitana style and half New York style, because in my house here, we like our pizza crispy. But I know there's people out there that they really enjoy a soft pizza, just like a Napolitana style. So I'm trying to make something in between. And that's what this pizza is right here. I'm trying to create a crossbreed between the two. Something that's going to be crispy, but yet still nice and fluffy. And it's going to be nice and enjoyable for all people to enjoy. That's all I really want is for you to enjoy pizza. So that's why I get upset sometimes with this rating. Look at this dough right here. It's fantastic. All I did here was, instead of using like some kind of what I usually use is like strong baker's flour, I used the tipo zero, and then I used the exact same recipe that I would use for a New York style, but using tipo zero like I would for a Napolitana style pizza. And this is the dough I got, and it worked out perfectly. And look, see, like this is the dough I got out of it. And sometimes I would put whole wheat in it. When I'm at work, sometimes I like to put whole wheat in it. I think it adds a little bit to it, but sometimes I don't. And here, it's up to you. And this was the dough I got, and this is some of the outcome of what we got. And now I keep trying it, right? Like I'll let it rest for a day. I'll let it rest for 2 days. I'll let it rest for 3 days. So it's always a work in progress. But it's been working out perfectly, and I'm gonna keep trying to make this dough perfect. Like I even used it in my pizza Q oven outside, and it worked fantastic. In every oven I used it in, the home oven, the oven at work, the pizza Q oven, it all came out fantastic. It's not 100% as crispy as we want it, but that's okay, because it's like I'm trying to get in between, half Napolitan, half New York style pizza, and this is what we're getting. And it's always a work in progress. See, like that one's perfect. I love that pizza. It's crispy, yet still nice and soft in the middle. Like it's not thin, but it's not thick either. And it was a perfect style of pizza, and it's something I'm working on right now. So I would like to make a video where I give all of the recipe, if that's something people want, because it's something I would love to do, to have people enjoy pizza as much as I enjoy it. And look at that. Why wouldn't you enjoy pizza? It's so fantastic, and that's what pizza is for. Pizza is to feed you, feed your family, and that's it. It's simple. Pizza's supposed to be simple. Stop making it complicated. Go out and enjoy pizza, and don't worry about a rating. Just fill up your belly and smile.